Welcome to the MICROTECH exhibition stand at the International Industrial Forum 2026, held right here in Kyiv, Ukraine. Right here, we introduced innovative microtech instruments along with more than 20 high-level imported global brands. For the very first time here in Kyiv, we are proud to showcase the premium line of high-precision chord 3 coordinate measuring machines. Discover the well-known Aberlink coordinate measuring machines, which are engineered specifically to offer an absolutely optimal price-performance level for your business. The exhibition featured the advanced Creaform metrological grade 3D laser scanners in action. Furthermore, we presented high-quality digital measuring microscopes featuring advanced and innovative models from leading global manufacturers Mahr, Hitec, and Sylvac. Our visitors thoroughly explored top-quality hand-measuring instruments manufactured by industry experts, including premium solutions from Mahr, Sylvac, Demm, Kaefer, and Kroeplin. A major part of the exhibition stand was focused entirely on innovative microtech measuring instruments, which are developed, tested, and engineered for high industrial accuracy. These advanced microtech laser bore gauges feature a self-centering system with a depth of up to 12 meters. And the final section of our presentation featured a truly unique and historical part of the official MICROTECH Tool Museum exhibition.